There are 4 trim panels in the front trunk area. The air quality sensor is located under the main panel, red arrow. You do not need to remove the 2 side trim panels, blue arrows, or the front trim panel by the hood lock, green arrow. To remove the main panel, gently pull up on each side by the cut-out handles indicated by the red arrows. There is a clip on each side of the panel, blue arrow not seen, that sit in cutouts in the chassis, red arrow. With the front clips released, pull the panel forward, freeing it from the cowl piece, red arrows. With the main panel removed, gently set it aside and locate the cabin air filter housing, red arrow. The sensor is located on the front of the box, red arrow. The recirculatory flap is inside the airbox and indicated by the blue arrow. You do not need to remove the lid of the airbox to perform this work. We did it to show you where the air enters the box, red arrow, filter removed, and also the recirculation flap, blue arrow. This image shows the sensor facing where the air enters the box, red arrow. To replace the sensor, turn it clockwise until the tabs, red arrow, on the sensor line up with the openings on the box, blue arrow, and then slide it out from the mount in the box. Squeeze in on the tab on the electrical connection, red arrow, and separate the connection from the sensor. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.